Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start reporting work using UiPath. In today's session, we are going to discuss how the clipboard AI gonna read the data from the Excel and paste it in the respective label in the websites. So basically, this can be accomplished in many ways, right? So we're going to use an RPA approach. We are going to read the particular spreadsheet and then for each and then type into. So if you're going to handle this in a manual way, so you're going to copy the respective cell and identify the respective cell in the website and going to paste over there. So these many efforts are needed when you're going to approach in a RPA as well as in a manual way. So let's assume, so how the clipboard AI going to eradicate all these steps and perform it action by an intelligent way. So let's go to the spreadsheet. So this particular spreadsheet I have just downloaded from the RPA site. So this is the site where we are going to read the data from the Excel and paste it over the respective labels. So whenever we're going to click on submit, so this particular label will be keep on changed. You can see here, right, the first name on the top. So after that, it can keep on change, correct? So likewise, this label will be keep on change. So that's why I just picked this particular website to test how the clipboard AI gonna identify the label and paste the appropriate data over there. So let me go to the spreadsheet and let me click on the particular first cell, copy till the end where you want to get the data. So after that, so you can just gonna click on the copy cells. That's it. So once I click on copy cells, analyzing all the data which need to be copied. Okay. After that, so you can go to the destination side. This is our destination, right? Let me click on start and then let me click on paste in form. So let me click on open mapper as well to see whether the data has been mapped properly or not. So you can see the mapper has been opened now. So you can see all the data has been stored in a array format, right? So one after one. So each and data has been stacked over there. So let me check here by clicking paste data. So it is pasting all the data which has been stored in the clipboard now. Perfect, right? So it has been identified. This is the email and then last name, company, phone number, address. So all the things has been identified perfectly. So you can check here. First name will be John, right? John. So looks very cool, right? Also, you can see some other pop-up which came here. It's saying input row 2 of 10. So which is mean it's gonna pay the second row now. So it is saying I have identified these are the second row datas and then I am ready to paste it. When I just gonna click on submit, so let me click on paste data. So now label has been re-engineered once again, right? So we're going to identify the labels and then paste the appropriate data over there. So you can see all the data is getting pasted now. See, it has been pasted all the data now, right? So let me go and check in the Excel sheet. So looks everything perfect. So likewise, you can get the data from the spreadsheet and paste the data in a particular website in very easier way when I'm going to approach in a clipboard AI. So it will store all the data and it will pass one by one. How basically the human pass the values one by one. So basically you used to copy all the data and identify the labels, paste, after that click submit and then next row. So likewise the clipboard AI will understand each and everything. First of all, it will label all those data. After that, it's going to start pasting the data. So whenever you have to click on submit, so that's the step which I want to do here. After that, click on paste data. That's it. So it will automatically identify label each and every time. So when it's going to change and then paste the data accordingly. As I said in a earlier video, it has been trained on all the models where it is able to understand the labels and then like documents. So all the stuffs can be understand using this clipboard AI. So this third row looks perfect. So likewise, you can try for next all the 10 pages. I'll just stop here. So I see clipboard AI will be a better approach when you're going to use in a RPA studio or a manual intervention. So it will help you to perform the action in a very fast manner. I hope you like the session. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.